Imagine just anything. Can you picture pictures of things that never was? Or can you only picture pictures of other dreamers' elusive dreams like used up reality? Did you ever succeed in reaching through to somebody else and touch them? Or are you like me, forever condemned to dwell within yourself? Are you a true poet, or did you read your cards all wrong and don't really know where you belong? The grass is bathing in morning dew. The night still lingers. Push away the new day. Hold on to what you know. Hold on to what you know. Dreamers and believers see the other side. Illusionists and preachers break into the light. Can you also see something through the mist? I can see dancing ghosts. Rising up from the underground, they dance for us, pointing out the direction home. How deep is the divorce between light and what we see? How vast is the distance between words and reality? Are you one of the lightless seekers? One of the speechless speakers? One of the sleepless dreamers? Or the godless believers? Come to me. The grass is bathing in morning dew. The night still lingers. Push away the new day. Hold on to what you know. Hold on other dream